Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add motion blur to your transitions inside of DaVinci Resolve. So I've got a transition here, it's pretty simple, it's just a ramped up push, and this is what it looks like. So it already looks pretty good. If you haven't seen my video on how to keyframe your transitions and how to ease them in and out, I highly recommend you also watch that. But right now, we want to focus on adding some motion blur. So the transition itself already looks really nice and smooth, and we want to take it a step further by adding some motion blur. So it's very easily accessible. You should be familiar with this inspector panel at the top right hand side of your screen already. And this is the quickest and best way to add motion blur to this particular segment. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on transition and just make sure that the proper transition is selected. So just go ahead and left click on it on your timeline. Look for the motion blur option, then go ahead and turn it off. You can change the intensity of the motion blur. Of course, a higher value coincides with a higher motion blur amount. So go ahead and press space.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
As you can see, the transition looks even better now. So that's pretty much it for this video. Really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.